It's a cold winter day. I'm sitting on the couch, not thinking about anything, just playing PlayStation with my girlfriend. Everything feels chill, comfortable. Then suddenly there's this voice in my head. It says you're breaking your discipline. Your goals are drifting away from you. That's when it hits me. I grab my phone and check my wallet. And yeah, it's clear now. I've been disrespecting my own standards. This isn't the time for comfort. Entertainment can wait. Right now, it's time to lock in, sit down, and execute a clean trade. High clean scalping setup. When price creates a break-even zone, I mark that area. This is where both static and dynamic levels break at the same time. If price comes back into the break-even zone and prints a new break of structure, I mark that BOS first. The move that caused this new break of structure comes from an order block. A valid order block that meets all the conditions on the 1-minute time frame. That's where I place my order. I wait for price to return to that zone. My stop loss goes above the pivot, and my target is the sell side liquidity below. No emotions, just structure, liquidity, and execution. Discipline gets paid.